Scrapper Bob here. Looking at this dishwasher I got off the side of the road. Got it upside down. These are the only kind of dishwashers that I pick up. Metal tubs. Anyways, this one looks pretty good. Got a nice piece of brass right here. Got a motor or something right here. Got a motor right here. Motor right here. See what kind of wiring we got. I bet it's aluminum. Let's check it out. See what we got in here. So this wire right here is copper. So that's intriguing. Hopefully all these wires are copper. Yeah, let's see if there's any other goodies. There might be some goodies in here. Let's see what kind of plugs we got here. Looks like aluminum. Oh, can't get it out. That is aluminum too, not brass. Unless it's a brass that I don't know. But alright, I'll make another short once I start tearing this apart and then show everything. I like that piece of brass though. Brass is good. And copper wire is good too. I wonder if the motor's copper. That would be great.